Welcome back to our channel. Please subscribe so that you will not miss our future videos. See the links in the description box below if you also want to make money online. Starting a blog can be an exciting and fulfilling experience, but one of the first things you'll need to do is to decide on a niche or topic that you want to write about. Let's dive in and talk about finding your niche for blogging. So you're thinking about starting a blog, but you're not quite sure what topic or niche you should focus on. That's completely normal, and finding the right niche can take some time and experimentation. But don't worry, with a little bit of research and soul searching, you'll be able to find a niche that you're passionate about and that resonates with your audience. First things first, let's define what we mean by niche. A niche is a specific topic or area of interest that you'll be focusing on in your blog. It can be anything from travel and food to DIY projects and personal development. The key is to choose a niche that you're truly passionate about and that you feel you can write about with authority. This will make it much more enjoyable for you to consistently create content and make it much more likely that your readers will be engaged and come back for more. So, where do you start when trying to find your niche? Well, one of the best ways is to look within yourself. What are your own interests and passions? What are the things that you enjoy reading or writing about? What are your hobbies or areas of expertise? These are all great starting points for finding a niche for your blog. If you're passionate about a topic, that enthusiasm will shine through in your writing, and your readers will pick up on that. And if you have expertise in a specific area, that knowledge will come across in your content, making it more valuable to your readers. Another way to find your niche is to look at what other bloggers are writing about and what topics are trending in your industry. This can give you an idea of what types of content are resonating with readers and can help you identify areas of interest that you may not have considered. This can also be a great way to identify gaps in the market, where there's a high demand for information on a topic but not many bloggers writing about it. This could be a great opportunity for you to fill that void and become an authority in that space. Another approach is to think about your target audience or the people you want to reach with your blog. What are their interests and what type of content would they be looking for? This is a great way to make sure that your blog content is relevant and resonates with your audience. It's also a good way to focus on a specific target audience and can help you tailor your blog towards them, making your content more effective. Once you've got a list of potential niche ideas, it's important to do your research. Check out the competition in your chosen niche and see what they're doing well and what areas you could potentially improve upon. This will help you to create a unique angle for your blog and set yourself apart from the competition. This can also give you a sense of what types of content and strategies are working in your niche and can help you to create a content strategy of your own. It's also important to keep in mind that your niche doesn't have to be set in stone. You can always start in one niche and then expand or evolve into something else as you grow your blog. For example, you may start writing about personal development, but then realize that you're really passionate about writing about mindfulness and self-care and decide to focus more on that topic. The important thing is to be open to change and to follow your passions, as they may change as you grow and learn. So, as you can see, finding the right niche for your blog takes some time and research, but it's worth it in the end. When you find a niche that you're passionate about, blogging becomes that much easier. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or need more guidance on finding your niche, please leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on blogging. Happy blogging!